Hola mga sis! So yun mga sisi, I took a very long break. I think more than a month. Because I've been dealing with a lot of things lately. Like, not naman the negative things, but there are mga bagay na mga bagong bagay na nangyayari sa aking life. So, I actually focused on it first before going back to vlogging. Kasi I want everything to be settled first. So yon, and it's very exciting kasi this is a new phase of my life, not just my life but my family's life as well. So andito na sa Edsel mga sisi, dito na siya titira. So honestly, marami pang kailangan ipagawa dito sa bahay kasi it's literally uncomfortable kasi yung floor niya is cement pa. Ayan, if you could see, medyo maalikabok, hindi medyo, sobrang maalikabok. Although wala pa kaming furnitures, meron na kaming ref. It's a necessity. Meron kaming lagayan ng mga plates and all those. Meron kaming stove. So yun yung mga unang bagay na binili namin. And meron kaming rice cooker. Rice cooker lang kasi ano kami, nag-work naman kami, both of us. So we don't have the time to like cook dito sa stovetop because medyo matagal siya compared sa rice cooker. And kailangan mo siyang bantayan. Eh kung magra-rice cooker lang, isasain mo lang. I don't know, how do you do that? Takang mo lang siya. Takang mo lang siya sa easy. Ang dami pa naming kulang, lalo na sa kitchen. Alam mo yun, hindi mo kasi malalaman yung kulang mo kung hindi pa kayo naandun, if you're not living in the house yet. So, yung mga nabili ko, yung mga main necessities lang talaga. And sobrang dami pa namin kulang for the groceries. Ayun. Yung inuna lang talaga namin is yung mga panglinis, yung mga food for the first few days. Ganun lang. So, mamaya, mamamalengke kami. I'm not sure. We're gonna go somewhere. Mga seasons! Bibihis lang ako kasi alis na kami. We're gonna go to the other house and we're gonna go to SM Malavesia, I think. So, ayan. Ito lang yung suot ko. So simple. Pinapuok dyan dahil but sexy. So, ayan. And ngayon ko lang nalaman, wala pala kaming suklay. So, ilang araw na kami dito sa house. Pero wala pala kaming suklay. Snowy, hi! Snowy! We're just waiting and we're gonna tour you around in our cute house, right?
Right,
you like
Mommy?
Your house? Yeah.
Yes.
You like your house?
Yes, Mommy.
Are you gonna go home na?
Yes.
Yes! Oh my gosh!
It's here, Uwu.
Huh?
It's here, Mommy.
Yeah, oh, we'll go home later.
Talimsik naman.
Okay!
Okay.
Okay.
Oh.
Snow! Ulam namin is sinigang na baboy. There. So, nasa bahay na kami. And, tapos na kami mag-eat. So, tapos na rin kami maligo.
Ano ka? May tissue ka?
Tissue?
Mommy.
Sipon
naman?
ni Kelsey.
Mommy, sipon.
Sipon.
Sipon si Kelsey, mga sizi. Yuck! Don't taste your sipon.
Mommy.
Baby, we'll get your kuan towel. We'll get a towel for you.
Oh, towel.
Towel, baby. Show them. It's a smoothie.
Coke.
Coke. Okay. How about this one? What's this?
Hamburger.
Baby, this one.
Hamburger.
Hamburger. Say thank you, Daddy, for the toys.
Thank you.
Is that a nice toy? You like that?
Chico, Mommy. If I like it's naughty, Mommy.
Thank you, baby.
No.
What's that? What's that?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Yes, popcorn.
Oh, really? Can I have some Coke?
Oh, sure.
How about you? Ipalitan na mo siya, oh. Toys, ganina, dito sa Ayala. Okay. Nakata kami gayala kay kung ate. Giadto dito. So dito na lang pud mi na grocery. Wala na ako napakita among gi-grocery, no. Pero we did some grocery shopping. And bili ko na lang kung ano, bedsheet. Para mag-ili sa bedsheet siya, maglimpyo din sa kwarto. Okay. Muna yung talent ka na maglimpyo din. Oh, mangdagpi og lamok. Mangdagpi po na siya guk-ok. Muna yung mga talent. No, bising makaingon ni mong mama bagi daog-daog na takadiri ah. Tingnan. Sabaan dyan ko sa imong mama. So wala namin nag-vlog kanina kay maula ko mag-vlog sa Ayala, no, kay dagan kay tao niya. Mga tao ba dito kasagaran kay mga foreigner, mga inchik day, bisig makasabaan ta doy. Kay public place ba ya, like you know, ubang tao di siya gusto makita sa vlog, ana sila pay ma-awkward kung kuan mag-vlog ana ako dito kuan makasaban pa ta sa security guard, so wala na ako nag-vlog okay. Respeto na po sa ubang tao, di ba? So next time pagka nang kami lang makita, okay ra siguro, pero kanang makita ang ubang tao maulaw gid ko kay ma-awkward sila, di na noon sila garahan mamasyal. So tired na? Chill na si Snowy. I'm so tired na daw. Where's baby dal-dal, be?
What? Battery. CD chicken. Pizza have some pie.
Meow, 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 meow. Thank you for the pie. Morning mga sisi. So kakagising lang namin. It's still around 6:40 siguro. And then punta na kami mamaya. Magre-restock pa ako ng diaper ni Snowy. So ayan, meron kaming stash ng diaper dito. Lagay lang natin sa drawer niya. Pero nakaharang yung laptop ni Edsel. So, ayan na. Medyo madami-dami din po. So, yung budget kasi namin for diapers ni Snowy are 3 packs ng Pampers na 40 pieces. So, yun. Dede daw siya. Tingnan natin yung ayan, yung mga manok namin. Ito yung breeder ni Papa. Ito, may sakit yung dalawa. And then, ayan na sila. Ayan, marami sila dyan. Ayan, marami sila. Diba? Marami sila dyan, CZ. Meron pa doon. May chick pa na maliit doon. And then, ayan, yung mga teenagers na. Charot. So, ayan sila. Yan yung mga naningitlog. Actually, may dadalhin nga kaming itlog sa bahay. So, ayun. Parang nangingitlog yung... Here are the eggs. So, mga sisi, I will be ending the vlog here. Actually, ibang araw na naman to. Ito yung araw na nag-edit ako sa mga videos ko. And then, yeah, that's it for this vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Sana ay nagustuhan nyo. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up button. So, yun mga sisi, expect more of like family vlogs or lifestyle vlogs dito sa channel na to. Since we're on that phase na naman na I'm still gonna do some beauty vlogs. But, hindi ko pa alam, ano. So, kasi ang dami pang dapat ayusin sa bahay namin ngayon. So, I'll do more I'll do more of those kind of vlogs. Yung pag-aayos sa bahay lang, ganun. Beautification of our home. So, ayun, kasi sobrang bare pa ng bahay namin, mga sis. We have to do something about that. And, kailangan din namin mamili. Yung mga shopping, grocery shopping, things na pambahay. Ganun yung mga vlogs na gagawin ko sa channel ko ngayon. Ay, nag-enjoy kayo sa video na ito. I hope to see you again next time, mga sisi. Goodbye!
I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you. I do this for my father, who I've only seen from time to time in my dreams. I do this for you. I do this for my mother, who's finally clean, no longer a fan. I do this for you. I do this this for my sister, my wife and my kids, cause they part of the team. I do this for all the naysayers and haters who made me one of the greatest. I know it kills you inside, that's why I do this for you.
I do this for the kids who sit a bit outside the mix, who maybe cope through humor just to fit in for a bit, who never let the world know when depression's setting in.